Hey, quick one. So I thought I'd make this video because I was searching all over the internet, YouTube, and I wasn't able to get help from anywhere. But I have a Mazda Axela or Mazda 3. It's a 2014. And I wanted to remove this pillar post so that I can get to these dash cam wire. However, this particular model or vehicle, I don't know, because I see some videos that have there are some similar videos, but there's a difference. There's a difference with the Mazda 2014, and for some reason they don't have no videos about it. So of course, most of the video you will see two clips here, which goes in here, and you will have to pop the two clips out. All right, and then slide it up. But for the Mazda 3 2014, there's something else. This here, this is the most difficult part because there's nowhere to like take it out. I try using a flat screwdriver to get it out, but it won't come out, and it goes into that groove there, like that there goes into the groove underneath there. So I had to try to take it out from there, and there's not a lot of room to get it out from there. So I had to try to like turn it the other way to take it out. So just in case you want to get behind here and you don't know or you don't understand what is holding it back, it's this little clip. You guys try to figure out how to get it out. So I basically use this, but didn't really do much. So you gotta like use this and your hands and try to like turn it out from this little groove here, and then you can get to the wires, and you gotta be careful because the hair bag is right here. So yep, that's it. And there's no clip at the bottom really. Some cars might have the clip at the bottom holding it somewhere down there, but at first it felt like some clip was here holding it back, but all the time it was this. Every time I pull, this was holding back. And this is kind of funny because you gotta turn it sideways like this to get it back inside, and then you gotta turn back this way. So I guess I can probably just, I don't know, put it and try to fit it back like that. I don't know. But just in case you have a Mazda 3 2014 or maybe up and you're trying to figure out how to get behind here, this is your guy. See what kind of design. On the top goes in between here. So that's it.